Welcome to another $4 million Strategy podcast, perhaps the last in our series that we started, and it has been an amazing ride. In the $4 million Strategy podcast, our goal has been to provide you, the business owner or CEO of a business, just these 4-minute insights on how you can try to improve your business today. See, most business owners, they're trying to just do the basic. Okay, we're just trying to create more cash flow, i.e., more net income or EBITDA in a company. And the thinking is, hey, of course, we're trying to create cash flow to create more value because, well, we need to bring home cash flow to help pay the mortgage. But secondly, ultimately, we want to create value that we might sell our business someday. Well, most people are aware of that net income perspective, but what they're not aware of is how to increase the multiple of the business, which means is how do we decrease the risk? See, every business it's the EBITDA or the earnings times what's called the multiple. And these $4 million risk strategies, what they do is they help you understand how to decrease your risk to increase your multiple. And we had over 100 different episodes of this that we recorded with incredible experts from people like Jim Hewling and Trey Taylor. It's been so fun to have them on to give these insights. And I've learned a lot through the process myself. And so we're ultimately going to be packaging all this up into one nice book, perhaps. We haven't quite decided whether it's going to be a workbook, but we are consistently working with our clients. We partner with a company called Growth Drive. We're really happy with our friends there based in Charleston, South Carolina. They have done some amazing things. And so we use that tool to help do our $4 million strategies. And from that, it's an incredible part for our clients to understand. And every single client that we put through have been like, wow, I'm aware of this gap and I'm excited to work on it in the future because I know it's going to make my business better. Because what it also does is it helps create you, the business owner, freedom. I mean, nothing's better than having, if you choose, to have the freedom that you actually don't have to be in the business, that you could be working on the business. You know, the real home run is when you're getting ready to sign to sell your business and you don't have to say yes because you've created such a business that it doesn't require you to be in it. You have built a team, you have built processes, you have built systems that have decreased the risk, which increases your multiple, but more importantly, it gives you freedom to live the life that you really want to live, whatever that is. And so you can choose whether or not you want to sign the dotted line to sell your business or whether you're going to keep on moving forward because it really become an oil well for you. It's continuously producing resources that you can once again afford to do the things that you love to do. So I encourage you to, when we get ready to release that on the $4 million strategies, we're going to release that part. I encourage you to continue to listen to the Measure Success podcast. You can feel free to go to our website at 40strategy.com. And we also are helping people now on 40 Accounting, where we help out organizations. We help people understand the business, but we want to help you understand tracking the numbers. And this goes from the beginning of understanding how much money are you making, the basic bookkeeping, to financial reporting, budgeting, and analysis, as well as tracking your tax returns to make sure you're maximizing your wealth, which is ultimately the goal behind this whole process. We want to make sure you're doing great work on what you're attempting to do, but we also want to make sure it's creating value for yourself, because what you should be making sure that this value is creating is going to make a difference for you and everyone else around you. Well, we're going to keep it 4 minutes. I hope you enjoyed our final, at least current stage in this phase 1 of $4 million strategies. I look forward to connecting with you again. Feel free to reach out at 40strategy.com. Have a great day.